Good day, dear learners. The theme of our today's learning practice is as follows: modern methods of teaching foreign languages. Here we will study communicative approach, Suggestopedia, and Clue. At first, let's define what is methodology. According to Webster's Third New International Dictionary, methodology is a body of methods, procedures, working concepts, rules, and postulates employed in the solution of a problem or in doing something. We can say that methodology, or teaching in this sense, is a set of methods based on the same rules and having common aim, for example, to encourage students to use the language involved the students in the lesson, or explain the language to students who have to listen attentively. At first, we'll speak about communicative approach. Here, teachers should bear in mind that it is not only dialects and monologues which make pupils and students speak, but also a variety of interactive methods, sometimes even created and organized by the teacher. In communicative approach, the most effective and tried and tested methods are brainstorming and debates. For brainstorming, we include the following: ideas, opinion, creativity, extraordinary preparation, and presentation. For debates, we include the following: get rid of doubts, erudition, critical opinion and remarks, personal beliefs, listen. So these points we include to debate. Such abilities of pupils are developed by using debates and brainstorming, as in the previous list of presentation. The next method helps learners to inspire their imagination, be creative and knowledgeable, playing different roles. Being engaged in this method, in other words, in communicative approach, pupils or students think, learn how to express informed opinion, talk for purpose and for fun, listen, and train their pronunciation. The next approach which we will learn today is Suggestopedia. In other words, accelerated language learning. Suggestopedia is a set of learning recommendations used to optimize learning. In theory of language and learning, Suggestopedia is a teaching and learning method by which a language is learned as a material based on suggestion. The main objective of this foreign language teaching method is to deliver advanced conversational proficiency quickly. Let's look at the structure of Suggestopedia lesson. Lessons using Suggestopedia as a foreign teaching method involves the following. The first one, translating texts into the learner's native language. The second one, explaining grammar structures explicitly. And the third one, practicing in an imitative way through role plays. How to structure a Suggestopedia course. The course lasts 30 days and consists of 10 units of study. These are presented in classes held 4 hours a day, 6 days in a week, and each unit is focused on a dialogue consisting of completely 1,200 words. Dialects are graded by lexics and grammar. Next, we go through the content and language integrated learning. In the abbreviated form, it is CLIL. This term was defined in 1994 and launched in 1996 by UNICAM, the University of Jyväskylä, and the European Platform for Dutch Education, to describe educational methods where subjects are taught through a foreign language with dual focused aims, namely the learning of a content and the simultaneous learning of a foreign language. CLIL can be interpreted as an umbrella term describing both learning content subjects such as physics or geography through the medium of a foreign language and learning a foreign language by studying a content-based subject. This is the definition of CLIL in teaching and a bit information about its history. In CLIL, content subjects are taught and learned in a language which is not the mother tongue of the learners. Knowledge of the language becomes the means of learning content. Language is integrated into the content-based subject teaching, and this increases motivation to study natural contextualized language. Therefore, CLIL provides a practical approach to both content and language learning that improves intercultural understanding. Now let's analyze advantages and disadvantages of this approach. Advantages. The important advantage of CLIL is its potential for achieving bilingualism and improving intercultural understanding. Firstly, CLIL helps to broaden intercultural knowledge and understanding and develops intercultural communication skills. Secondly, CLIL improves target language competence and raises awareness of both mother tongue and target language. Thirdly, CLIL provides opportunities to study content and learn subject-specific terminology and hence prepare students for future studies and/or working life. Finally, CLIL offers new learning strategies while adding diversity and flexibility to existing methods and forms of classroom practice. Tasks. Let's define tasks, in CLIL. So in order to accomplish CLIL successfully in a lesson, we must follow this next one: course design, methodology, tasks and activities, competence development, teaching and learning environment. Teachers and students' roles here. Teacher is silent, teacher is controller, teacher is responsible. And students' roles: students are a center, they keep attention, and students should be independent. So here you may see the roles by the teacher and by a student. Keep in mind, example is student, and when you are teacher, just do their duties of the teacher, not of the students. And so in the end of our information about these three approaches in teaching a foreign language, communicative approach, CLIL, and the Suggestopedia, I just want to make a conclusion that there are a lot of methods, they are plenty, and it's up to you to decide your own as well and attract the enthusiastic participants in the class. So just I advise you and recommend to use one of the methods which were spoken today, CLIL, Suggestopedia, or communicative approach, because when you use these three methods or one of them, you may attain all the goals of your lesson in a foreign language. Thank you for your attention, students, and good luck. And just develop your knowledge about the methods of teaching the English language.